Picture this, it's early in the morning, the stock market is about to open, and you're ready to make your move. But wait, did you check the economic calendar? The economic calendar, my friends, is your secret weapon. It's a schedule of economic events that can sway the stock market in one direction or another. Unemployment rates, gross domestic product, consumer price index. These are a few of the key indicators that can shake up the market. Knowing these ahead of time can give you an edge. With this information, you can predict market trends, make informed decisions, and potentially increase your profits. So next time before you dive into the market, make sure to check the economic calendar. It's not just about the numbers, it's about understanding the rhythm of the economy. Remember, in the world of stocks, knowledge is power, and the economic calendar is a powerful tool that shouldn't be overlooked. Tune in next time for more quick tips on navigating the stock market. Until then, happy trading!